All right, part 2 for quiz 203. Again, we're going to use this grid to create a model to solve the percent problem. 30% of 70. What is 30% of 70? So first, I'm going to break 70 into 10 equal parts. It's going to be 70 divided by 10. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. A visual model of what's happening with percentages, just different ways. Now we want 30%. That's represented again by 3 squares. So then, just like the other problem gave us the number 18, here we're going to find the number and see that 3 times 7, or 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. So what is 30% of 70? 21. You learned another method. You can change that 30% to a decimal, which is 0.3. 3 tenths, that's 3 tenths, 30%, 30 hundredths reduces to 3 tenths, just like this visual. 3 tenths is the correct way to say that decimal. Decimal 3.3, 0.3 times 70. Boom, 21. All right, well then, let's keep going. We don't need this one anymore. Let's do this one. Aha, okay. This table may have been confusing, but it is our ratio or equivalent ratios, and they just are trying to put them in different places. So you can take a look now at 20 hundredths, and you could reduce that 1/5. And that, because I know 5 times 20 is 100. Yeah, so that's reducing to 1/5. So now how do we get to 90? How do we get to 90? That's interesting. Let's see, 10, 11, 12, 18. Is it 18? It looks like it's 18. Because if we do, 10 times 5 is 50, 90 minus 50 is 40, and then 5 times 8 is 40. So 18 is 20%, right? And we did that because 5 times 18 equals, and we have to keep it equivalent. That's all we're doing with these tables. But again, you learned another method to check. We can change that 20% to 2 tenths, 0.2, and multiply times 90, and we're going to get 18. Okay. Last problem. In each box, 40%, so 40 per 100, 40% of the total candies are lemon flavored. In a box of 35 candies, how many are lemon flavored? So again, we can use those equivalent ratios. 40 doesn't go into, but let's try 20. We'd end up with 2 again to 2/5, right? 20 into 40. 40 divided by 20 is 2. 100 divided by 20 is 5. Now we look at how do we get to 35? Well, 5 times 7 equivalent ratios equals 35. So I have to do the same thing up here. I think we did this one in class, yeah. Times 7, which means 14. Or again, you can change it, 40% to 4 tenths, 0.4, times, I keep hitting divide, times 35, 14. Thanks for watching. Thanks for thinking. Yeah.